Foolproof, making no mistakes in English. Hello, wonderful learners. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the vast ocean of the English language to fetch some exciting treasures for you. Today, we are going to unfold the meaning and usage of a very interesting term, foolproof. So, if you're curious to make your English as error-free as this word suggests, keep watching. Foolproof is an adjective we use to describe a plan, method, or mechanism that is so simple, clear, and well-designed that it's virtually impossible to use it incorrectly or for it to fail. The word conjures the image of something so secure and reliable that even a fool couldn't mess it up. It's about guaranteed success and error-free operation. For example, a recipe could be called foolproof if it's easy to follow and guarantees a delicious outcome every time. Similarly, a gadget with a foolproof design doesn't have complicated buttons or settings. Instead, it's straightforward and user-friendly. The term foolproof originates from the early 20th century. It was a time when machines and processes were becoming more complex, and there was a need for designs that could prevent human error. The term emphasizes making something so robust and predictable that even a fool couldn't ruin it. Understanding where words come from can often help us remember their meanings and use them correctly in conversation or writing. Let's put our word into action. Here are a few examples of how to use foolproof in a sentence. The instructions for assembling the bookshelf were absolutely foolproof, which made the setup quick and painless. We need a foolproof strategy for our marketing campaign to ensure we reach our target audience without fail. The locksmith claimed the new lock system was foolproof and couldn't be picked by burglars. Using foolproof in different contexts will help you solidify your understanding of the word. Despite its strong meaning, foolproof is not always appropriate. It's important to avoid using it in situations where there's a significant consequence for failure or when there are variables you can't control. No plan or product can be truly foolproof in every scenario, especially when dealing with unpredictable elements like weather, human behavior, or technology glitches. And there we have it, a complete breakdown of the term foolproof. Remember, while many things in life are not foolproof, your effort to learn English is something that will always yield positive results. I hope this video has been informative and adds another useful word to your English vocabulary toolkit. Keep practicing, and soon your communication will be as close to foolproof as it gets. Until next time, happy learning!